I have big news for first-time homeowners and investors who have been waiting to get a loan. Last Friday, the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell has said the time has come, hinting at rate cuts. We are waiting for the next Federal Reserve meeting, which is next month in September, to see what happens. Rate cuts aren't always good because it typically means we are heading to a recession and an economic decline. This is clear because rate cuts are a hint that the economy is not doing good and something is wrong. This leads people to hoard their assets, money, and liquidity, which slows down the movement of the economy. During this time, more people will invest in bonds, which leads to higher bond prices. People see bonds as a safeguard because when rates are cut, people will sell their investments and other assets and move their money to bonds. Comment your plan if the Federal Reserve actually goes ahead and cuts rates this September.